this video, we are changing the way we make store-bought burritos. Stay tuned to see this delicious meal. Are you hungry for recipes that won't break the bank or take up your entire day? Look no further, because we've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let's get cooking. Our first step is we are going to take our bag of store-bought frozen burritos and put it in a 13 by 9 pan. We are then going to add 1 big can of enchilada sauce. After we add our enchilada sauce, we will take 2 cans of rotel and spread it on our burritos. Next, we are going to take some shredded cheese. I chose the Mexican blend for ours, but you can use whatever cheese you like, and spread it evenly onto the burritos. This next step is optional, but we decided to add some black olives to our dish. Now we are going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Our burritos are ready, but let's add some toppings. All of these toppings are optional, and you can add whatever you like, but we are going to add some sour cream, some lettuce, and some pico. Wow, this looks amazing. Let's try it.
Oh, shoot, I lost my toppings. Not bad. This is pretty good, actually. I bet you'll even like this, babe. That's good. That's really good.
Thanks for watching the video. If you want more easy recipes like this, subscribe, like the video, and go check out our other recipe videos. Thanks for watching.